This is how I trim a brisket. I will start by removing the deco. You will see it's a huge chunk of fat. It's not gonna render. I'm not gonna remove all of it, just like the top part. I'll remove some of this silver skin. You can see this brisket is oddly shaped, so I'm just gonna work with it. That is what it is. Alright, on the other side. Usually there's a mohawk on the other side. But this one does not have it, so I'm not gonna complain. I was gonna remove the mohawk anyways, because if you keep it, it will dry up. Alright, we remove some of the fat from the point, from the flat. I'm gonna leave about an eighth to no quarter-inch maximum of fat, because you want the fat to render. You want it to change into yellow color. That's when it becomes delicious. Alright, just a little bit from this side. I'm not gonna reshape the brisket because this is for us, for me and my family. Alright, I'm checking here to see if I need to remove any more. Just remove a little bit from this side. And this is how I trim my brisket. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.